Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Chinese media had claimed that China has mastered the wind tunnel testing technology and is decades ahead of the rest of the world. The new hypersonic facility claimed by Chinese researchers are capable of simulating flight at Mach 30, that is 30 times the speed of sound or 10 kilometers per second, and will be ready soon. This hypersonic test facility is named as JF-22. The power produced by JF-22 will be 7 times more than the Hoover Dam in US, which is about 4 billion kilowatt hours of hydroelectric power each year for use in Nevada, Arizona, and California, enough to serve 1.3 million people. China has already shocked the world by conducting hypersonic weapon tests on July 27th and again on August 13 last year. China has launched a rocket carrying a hypersonic glide vehicle that flew through lower orbit space, circling the globe before cruising towards its target, which is allegedly missed by 30 kilometers. The test marked the first time any country had sent a hypersonic weapon fully around the Earth. China has already developed DF-JF hypersonic glide vehicle designed to be mounted in its DF-17 ballistic missile, specifically designed to carry hypersonic glide vehicles and having range between 1,800 to 2,500 kilometers. The DF-JF is thought to reach speeds between Mach 5 to Mach 10. The key to the success of hypersonic technology is its test facility. And with JF-22, China's capability will boost many folds, and it can even test missiles or hypersonic vehicles up to the speed of Mach 30. But before we move ahead, let's first try to understand what is wind tunnel test and importance of wind tunnel testing. Wind tunnels are large tubes with air blowing through them. It is used to replicate the interaction between air and a flying object. The wind tunnel helps to learn more about how an aircraft or missile will fly and its aerodynamic performance. While designing a fighter jet, first the conceptual design of aircraft is virtually tested using high performance computers. The data is collected corresponding to the aerodynamic performance of various features of the aircrafts. With the help of this data, a concept jet for wind tunnel test is created. The wind tunnel test is key to refine and finalize the design of the fighter jet. Some wind tunnels are large enough to contain full-size version of the vehicles. The wind tunnel moves air around an object, making it seem as if the object is flying. The new Chinese hypersonic wind tunnel test facility JF-22 is located in Beijing that has given capabilities to China about 20 to 30 years ahead of the West. The tunnel would produce power of up to 15 gigawatts, nearly 70% of the installed capacity of world's largest hydropower station, Three Gorges Dam in China's southwestern Sichuan province. These hypersonic test facilities uses unique technology for wind tunnel testing that sets them apart from rest of the world. The JF-22 uses chemical explosion to create hypersonic condition in the tunnel, unlike facilities in other countries which uses mechanical compressors to generate high-speed airflow. The fuel burns 100 million times faster than a conventional gas stove, generating shock waves similar to those encountered by airplanes at hypervelocity in high altitudes. Each plane or weapon model has to undergo 10,000 tests in tunnel before being declared operational. Chinese experts have claimed to simulate flights of up to Mach 7 with simulation lasting 30 milliseconds. The JF-22 has capability to sustain such runtime for an average of 130 milliseconds with a much higher top speed. America's most advanced wind tunnel, Lens 2 Large Energy National Shock Tunnels, simulated flights which lasted 30 milliseconds, running between Mach 3 and 9. Since JF-22 can afford a longer experiment time than existing test facilities currently operating in the world, it can accommodate larger vehicles and experiment can be more advanced than what existing tunnels can afford. The launch date of JF-22 is yet to be released. However, it will work along with JF-12, an already operational tunnel with about one-fifth of power output, where the flight conditions at both lower and higher atmospheric altitudes are assessed. In September 2020, India achieved a key milestone with hypersonic flight when DRDO flew its Hypersonic Technology Demonstration Vehicle HSTDV at a speed of Mach 6 for more than 22 seconds. In December 2020, Indian Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh inaugurated India's first hypersonic wind tunnel capable of testing missiles and aircraft. The state-of-art hypersonic wind tunnel facility is pressure vacuum driven enclosed free jet facility having nozzle exit diameter of 1 meter and will simulate Mach number 5 to 12. After USA and Russia, India is third country to have such a large facility in terms of size and operational capabilities. It is an indigenous development and an outcome of synergistic partnership with Indian industry. The facility has capability to simulate various hypersonic flow over a wide spectrum and will play a major role in realization of highly complex futuristic aerospace and defense systems.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.